Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel and welcome to the 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas. And today we are going to go through boxes 16 through 20. Are you ready? We're getting so close to Christmas. Today is Christmas Eve. Are you all prepared? Are you ready? Is Santa Claus about to knock on your door? Well, I don't know, but I'm sure he is getting all set, and we're almost ready here. This is the Look Fantastic 25-day beauty calendar. It is a beauty story for us to check out, and as you know, we are going through this in 5 days, and we do have a product book, and there is a giveaway, so be sure and hang on at the end. And of course, we're going to start off with day number 16, and we also have the 25 days of the Profusion Cosmetics, and this was one by me from Unboxing with Arlene's channel, and 700 Mile Mom, her sister Melissa, did a special giveaway during Arlene's 500 subscriber, and I had won this particular one, and I am sharing it out as well with the Look Fantastic. And of course, with that, you do have to be subscribed to both the Unboxing with Arlene and Melissa at 700 Mile Mom and Miss Jackie Russell in order to enter this giveaway toward the end here, and I will give you more details then. But let's get started on door number 16. Okay, let's see what we have in the Profusion day 16. We have another lip gloss, and I'm having a little trouble getting it out of here, so I'm going to try a little pair of scissors here and see if it can't help me out. There we go. Okay guys, this here is Profusion. This might be a liquid eyeshadow. No, it says lip. This is a shiny gold lip. We're going to do 5 days, and this is day 16. And let's take a look at that. That's going to put quite an amount of glitter on your lips, so you'll be all shiny. I like that. Do you? Let's go to day 17. And day 17, we have another lippy, and it is a mauve color, and I like that. Everybody likes a little bit of a mauve. So that is very nice. And then we have day 18. Let's pop in here and see what day 18 has in store for us. And again, this is the Profusion Cosmetic Ready to Slay 25-day Advent Calendar. And in this one, we have another one, and it's all nice and shiny. It looks like it is a sparkle lip topper again, and I don't know what color, it doesn't really say, but I would have to say that's kind of a bronzy shimmer color. Very pretty. Now that was day 18, and now we're going on to day number 19, and that is right here. So let's see what we have. I'm just busting right in here, moving right along. Ooh, this is nice. We have us a wonderful little blusher brush. Isn't that nice? And it's nice and soft. I like the size of it, and it's silver. And of course it says Profusion on there. Very, very nice. Now let's go on to day 20. And day 20, we're gonna have us, it looks like a type of palette. Looks like we have us some eyeshadows, and it's got the colors on there. We have brown primer, and we have a highlighter. We have taupe and soft brown. It says brow primer, so I guess they want you to put this color right here up on your brow, and this is your highlighter color, probably for the inside of your eyes. And then you have taupe and soft brown to give you a nice neutral look. That's very nice. So hey, that's pretty good in the Profusion 5 days there, 16 through 20. Now we are headed over to the Look Fantastic. We're gonna find box number 16 here, and it is right here. In box 16, we have an eye pencil, and this looks to be by Inka, I-N-I-K-A, and this is made in Italy, and I'm not sure, it says it's organic. Oh, okay, and it's black. So we have us a black eyeliner, made in Italy by Inka. So that's our first item in box number 16. Now we're going on to box number 17 in the Look Fantastic. And inside here we have us an Plump and Glow Hydrating Face Mist. That sounds very interesting. Let me get my little book out so we can see what we have here. We had day number 16. On day number 16, the Inca Eye pencil has such a rich and creamy consistency, unparalleled in the world of natural liners. It's formulated with a glide-on and easy to deliver an even depth of color and a real stay ability, both gentle for the sensitive eyes and highly effective. The formula is boosted with hyperallergenic carnauba wax to extend wear and to leave a water-resistant, long-lasting finish. So that sounds great. And on our it is a Emma Hardy. It's a Plump and Grow Hydrating Mist, and it says lock in moisture to your complexion with this Plump and Glow Hydrating Mist. It's ultra-fine, lightweight facial mist that offers a hydration boost while protecting skin from external aggressors that can induce signs of aging. This unique product mist stands out from the crowd, and that's how we wanted to make you feel this Saturday. So this is based on the day, if you're opening this up, one day at a time, 1 through 25. We're doing this a little bit differently. Now we're going to go on to box number 18. Box 18 is right here. I'll have to say the Look Fantastic is full of samples, where the glossy box had a lot of full size. So I really do think the glossy box is a better purchase. This was $120 for this box. And my glossy box was $99, and I know many of you got it for almost $50 if you caught it on sale. But in day number 19, we have a Philip Kingsley, and let's find out all about this. This is an elasticizer booster. It's a 20 ml, and it says we're bringing you the newest addition to the iconic best-selling elasticizer booster. Is formulated to enhance and prolong the deep hydrating effects of cult hero elasticizer in between your weekly treatments. Contains a melody of elasticizers, powerhouse ingredients with an intensive in-shower formula. They use that elasticizers booster name a lot. But anyway, this is going to be, you put this into your hair wash routine and indulge a little extra shower time with this self-care product. This is going to add elasticity to your hair, is what I am understanding. And it is a restoring conditioner. So very good. Philip Kingsley is a good brand. And that was number 18. Now we're going on to box number 19. And box number 19 is right here. And inside here we have a Luvia. I don't know what a Luvia is. Let's check it out in our little book. On day number 19, we have a 2-pan eyeshadow. So this is an eyeshadow, and it is all sealed up. And you know what? I'm going to leave it sealed up. Okay, I'm going to show you the pictures here. Here's the picture of it, and you can kind of see that in there. And I'm going to leave this sealed because this is going to be in the giveaway. Hey, you already know one thing in here. It's a 2-pan eyeshadow. Emphasize your eyes with this natural touch of eyeshadow. We're up in the game on Monday before Christmas. Of course, we're on Christmas Eve here. But anyways, you're going to use this Duo palette with its rich nude pigments that'll help your eyes stand out by looking bigger, brighter, and instantly more awake. So that sounds really great. And like I said, this will be in the giveaway, and it is a Duo eye palette. That was in door number 19. Now we're in box number 20, and inside here we have a Zellen's T-Shot, and I'm not sure what that is. It says it's a serum. So let's see what it says about it. Let's open it up out of this package. It says it's an urban defense, and it has nice packaging, and it is a pump. It's a full size. Let's see what it has to say. This trending skincare brand defends skin from effects of urban aggressions and comes in a super supreme glass bottle. It's got rich antioxidants. Its highly concentrated serum is formulated to provide skin with protection from daily stressors and pollution. The formula is infused with a blend of 5 types of tea, including green tea, matcha tea, white tea, black tea, and kabuka tea, and kabuka fermented black tea. Does anybody fancy a tea? Which means this product helps moisturize skin while targeting the visible signs of premature aging. I'm sorry I had that sitting down a little low there, but I'm going to enjoy trying that out. That sounds great, and all those different teas are good for you. So that was our last one that we're doing today. Okay, let's talk about the giveaway. You must be 18 years or older, you must have an address within the continental USA, and you must be subscribed publicly to Unboxing with Arlene, 700 Mile Mom, and Miss Jackie Russell in order to qualify to win. And you must use the secret code word. And why don't we use the word Luvia? L-U-V-I-A, because this eyeshadow palette is going to be in this giveaway. And you use the word Luvia in this Christmas Eve, 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas, and you can be entered in to win. And YouTube and our Look Fantastic or Profusion Cosmetics or any brands I've shown here are not affiliated with this giveaway in any way. Also, I am not responsible for allergic reactions and or if it is lost or damaged by the post office. I will get this out and get it to you as soon as I can, and hopefully it should arrive with no issues. Now this giveaway runs all the way till January 14th, and winners will be announced on January 15th. What's in this giveaway for Christmas Eve, the day before Christmas, on day number 4 of our 5 days? Well, we are going to have the Luvia palette. We are going to have this mauve lippy. We are going to have the Phillips Kingsley hair. We are going to have the brush. So that's 4 items. And the next item that we're going to have in this giveaway to go with this mauve lippy, you gotta have some shiny gloss. This is what's in this giveaway, and you use the word Luvia and you will be entered into this particular giveaway. Now, I will be back tomorrow on Christmas Day, and that will be our last day of the 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed this. I do have a playlist going on with this series, so if you don't get a chance to watch this during Christmas and or before Christmas, you have a week or 2 or 3 to watch this video and to enter. I want to thank all my subscribers, and if you're new here, I want to ask you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next videos, and or if you're the winner if you enter into this giveaway. But do remember, you must be publicly subscribed to all the channels mentioned. And that is all I have today. So be sure and check my descriptions for the playlist. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.